Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the best Pocket Option coupon codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you have to search for Pocket Option coupon code. Right here, scroll down a little bit until you find this website, which is called WordPenny. And as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this one with 55% bonus on your deposit, all you need to do is just tap right here where it says show code. And now I'm just going to wait for the coupon code to load up. And after that, I should be able to copy this one and use it on my next deposit. So I'm just going to wait a little bit. And after that, I'm going to click on this pop-up window. And this is the promo code that I can copy right here and use it in order to get the deposit bonus. Also, going back to the main search right here, let's go to the second page of our search. And we have this website right here, which is called Saver. So as you can see right here, we also have some promo codes as well. For example, if you want to get this 10% discount right here, all you need to do is just tap on this button where it says show code. And as you can see, the promo code showed up. So this is the promo code. You can simply tap right here to copy this coupon code and you can use it to get the 10% discount. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.